La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque.
Oh my god, you guys, I am so sweaty already. We just went out for like, I don't even know how long it took, maybe 20 minutes, but we went to Walgreens to pick up some stuff that we needed, and then we went to go pick up our air mattress, and right as we got to Walgreens, it started to pour. So I bought this freaking $15 umbrella, and what do you know, as soon as I finished paying for it, the rain like stops basically. That has been my day so far. Let me show you what we got from Walgreens. We got a dustpan in here. We've got this Wonder Mop because our floors are actually not super clean when we moved in today. So we bought those things to wipe up the floors. We also needed to get some shower curtain rings. And then we picked up some cup noodle and some box mac and cheese because honestly, I am so tired. I do not want to go out again. So now we finally get to set up our air mattress and put some freshly washed sheets on them. I'm probably gonna take a shower or something and then just like knock out. It's hailing, but it was like 80 degrees. Whoa. We are about to head out to Target to grab a bunch of like essentials and stuff that we need. Here's a quick little outfit. You're gonna be seeing a lot more of summer Allison here. Got my hair up in a claw. I'm wearing this tank from H&M, and then this skirt is thrifted. This little bag is a crossbody bag that my mom actually gave me. It's from Dooney & Bourke. And then I'm just wearing my Air Force Ones because these are the only shoes that I have. I thought I brought my sandals, but we only have the sneakers. Yeah. Or do you want Heinz? Heinz is a good brand, right? So it's like 4 times the price. We are home now after spending $23 freaking on an Uber to go half a mile. Got some more food storage containers. We don't have any right now. Oh, the ice cream away. They didn't have the Tillamook ice cream, so I got the Talenti. Their selection was slim. We got some Skinny Pop, some chickpea pasta, toilet cleaner, some all-purpose cleaner. Got some almond butter and condiments and stuff in here. A little stainless steel trash can for the bathroom. I got a new Brita water filter pitcher. This one is nice and small, so we can fit it on the counter or in the fridge. And yeah, we just got some groceries as well.
How much is for a roll of pork for 100? $14.90.
It is hot today. How many people are out? The dog wants to go in.
It's so small. It has tails. It's pretty rare for horses.
Ordered some cute drinking glasses today, so I'm gonna unbox them. Look how cute! They're little bubbling glasses. They're pretty small, but I actually think they're a nice size. Good morning. Today is the day that our movers come, and I'm very excited to have a real mattress and have a desk. But before the place fills up with boxes, I figured I should do like an empty apartment tour because I forgot to do that the first day. Okay, so right when you walk in, we have these hallway closets on the right side, which are actually really nice. There's a bunch of junk in here right now. We have our shoes, and like that's the internet box. This is the space where you can hang clothes. And then there's like this tiny little nook right here, but I think this is actually a good place to put like vacuum cleaner, mop, stuff like that. Stuff that is really long, but you don't need a ton of space for. And then over here we have the kitchen. I really like the size of this kitchen, and I really like how it's open to the living area. We have a dishwasher, we have a nice gas stove. I do like these mid-tone wood colored cabinets, but not the biggest fan of like the black / dark greenish countertops, but definitely for a New York apartment, I'm pretty happy with the amount of counter space. And then this of course leads into our big living room. It's actually quite a big room. I don't know how it's translating on camera, but the living room does feel quite big. It even feels a little bit bigger than our old one. I'm thinking of putting the couch along this wall, and then since we're not planning on having a TV in this apartment, that actually frees up a lot of space. We don't need to have like a media console or anything. So I'm thinking of putting the dining table, like a rectangular dining table right here. And then next to the couch, I'd like to put a big desk along this wall. And then over here is the little hallway thing that leads to the bedroom over here. We have our laundry over here. It's another one of these doors. These machines are not my favorite. I feel like the agitator thing is so rough on clothes, but hey, I mean, washer and dryer in unit is key. And then in this wall right here, we actually have quite a bit of room. So I measured it and I found a cabinet that I think would fit really well even when the door is open here. I think that'll just give us a lot more storage space to put like kitchen and miscellaneous things that we need. And then over here we have our bathroom. Nothing too cute, but it is really nice that it has this like big long wall of mirrored cabinets. All of these open, and there's like a ton of room for storage. I definitely need to add some hooks or something to hold our towels and all of our other stuff, but overall it's like a decent bathroom. It's pretty good size. And then here is the bedroom. Ignore the tape on the wall, I just put it up there so we could mop the floors. But yeah, this is the bedroom. It gets a ton of really gorgeous light, and then this is just our air mattress that we've been sleeping on. Pretty basic room. These are the closets right here. I'm not going to open these up because that's where we're putting all of our stuff, but I am a pretty big fan of these like bifold doors. I feel like it's really nice. So yeah, that is it for our 1-bedroom apartment. I'm honestly pretty happy with the amount of space we have. I know it probably doesn't look like anything on camera, but once we fill it up with some furniture, I think we'll be able to fit everything we need. So now that you guys have seen the space in my empty apartment, I just wanted to show you the plan that I have for it and how I've been planning for the design and everything, decorating, even before I moved in, because I found it to be really helpful. So this is my Pinterest board. Of course, everyone has a Pinterest. This is a must-have when gathering all your inspiration for a space. So I just have a ton of things that I've been really drawn to saved on my Pinterest board, but there are a lot of different styles and stuff on here, so I think once you gather all your inspiration, it's definitely best to kind of just pull out the things that have the very specific elements of it that you want to incorporate in your space. So then after I was on Pinterest, this is what my Milanote board looks like. I just started using Milanote recently, and I've been really enjoying it for planning for my New York apartment. So these are the specific inspo pictures that I gathered for my particular living room and dining room area. I think the common theme that I kept being drawn to was just a lot of contrasting colors and elements, having both like black and light colored woods and some medium dark colored woods, just pairing that all together because I feel like it adds so much more depth, and I'm kind of tired of that whole matchy furniture. I ended up settling on really liking the look of a black dining room table with some lighter colored wood chairs. And I added like a note here saying that, okay, all of these inspo photos have light colored floors or a rug underneath. So if I want to have that black dining table in my space, I'll probably want to get like a light colored rug. And then over here, I started planning what I would actually do for my space in particular. So I started out with some photos of the actual space itself, definitely helpful to just kind of see how everything would flow together and get the exact color of my wood floors and seeing how the furniture would look on top of that. And I started with the biggest, most important pieces of furniture that I wanted to include in the space, starting with this couch. I definitely wanted that cloud couch look, and I actually tested this one out from Living Spaces and it was so comfortable. So I definitely wanted to fit this into our apartment. And then the rest of the furniture, honestly, a lot of it is from IKEA and a affordable places like Target, Overstock, stuff like that, because I knew I wanted to go the most affordable route as possible with this apartment, just because we're probably not going to be here for very long and we'll end up just selling all of our furniture after we use it for a year or two. So yeah, like you saw in the empty apartment tour, probably going to put this couch along the wall. This desk, I'm thinking, will go next to it, and then in front of the couch, hopefully there's enough room for this, having our little dining room table and set. Definitely want to add some plants. I'm really digging this like olive tree look, and then I also thought that adding in like a nice vintage credenza or like dresser or something next to the dining room table would be really nice. Add some storage, break up the like lighter wood and the black tones, and just add some more warmth to the space. And I definitely think that mixing in like a vintage piece of furniture with all of the like brand new IKEA stuff, it's gonna definitely help bring things together and make it look a lot more interesting. Next up, we have the bedroom. So here again is the inspo on the right. Again, I'm really into that contrast, mixing in some like darker, love the like green and teal elements. I really would love to go a little bit moodier with the bedroom and get some like darker bedding and stuff, but I think I'm gonna end up just sticking with like a lighter warm tone color palette again, just because, and this is gonna sound so dumb, but my mirror is across from the bed, and I feel like if there's like too much of like a saturated dark color in the background, it's just not gonna look well with my like outfit photos, you know? I need something a little bit lighter and more neutral in the background. So honestly, I think that's the reason why I'm gonna have to go with some lighter bedding this time, but I think it'll still look really nice. Definitely gonna still try to have a little bit of contrast and not make everything so white. This is the clothing rack that I have, and then I'm thinking of getting one of these Malm dressers from IKEA again. I also already have this mirror, and then this is the desk and the chair that I have together. I think they actually look super cute. So these are some pieces that I'm already working with. This is the bedding situation that I'm currently looking into. This is a really pretty, I think they call it smoke gray linen sheet set from Cultivar Goods. And it's like a really nice neutral gray color. And I think that'll look really cozy with like a nice clean white bedspread. That's really pretty much it for the bedroom. I also have like some IKEA lighting that I think is really cute that I have saved here. And overall, I just want something super cozy, relaxing, and peaceful for, I mean, the bedroom, but also the living room as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the design of the apartment. We'll see how much, if anything, changes, but so far, honestly, this app has been a lifesaver. We finally have a bed and a mirror and a desk and an office chair, and we have so many boxes. I don't know what happened to some of these boxes. Thankfully, it looks like it's mostly just the ones that had clothes in them. The guy said this happens to a lot of the Home Depot boxes, but yeah, just take that with a grain of salt. Pack your boxes carefully. Hopefully nothing is broken or messed up, or just spend a little bit more and get the heavy duty boxes. This one looks like it's held up really well. Storage is up. I got these chrome baskets from Amazon. This one looks pretty nice, but just me being really picky, it's kind of annoying that the hook here is really like tight, so it's really hard to snap it in there. And then because the hook is so close to the wall, it actually makes the basket tilt ever so slightly out. Next up, going to try to put together this storage cabinet to fit in this corner.